Hello students, we have finished the poem If, and the poem is written by Rudyard Kipling, and it is an inspirational poem that motivates one to live life positively and not let disappointments and failures cow one down. So the poem is specially written for the son or son of the poet, son of Rudyard Kipling, and it's quite inspirational poem and give positivity. So today we are going to discuss the exercise of the poem. Let us see what is there in the comprehension. So the first question, read the lines and answer the questions. The first one, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. So what could one be waiting for? What could one be waiting for? So one person could be waiting to get success or to succeed or fulfill a given task. A person could be waiting to succeed or fulfill a given task. Second, is it possible not to be tired by waiting? Is it possible not to be tired by waiting? We will not be tired by waiting if we are patient enough. Means if we have patience, then we are not tired by waiting. Definitely the success will be ours one day. Then third one, why does the poet ask you not to lie? The poet asks us not to lie if we want to achieve our goals and be successful. B part. B part, first question, what does the poet mean by keeping your head? What does the poet mean by keeping your head? So, the poet means that we should remain calm, determined, and patient even in difficult times. The poet means that we should remain calm, determined, and patient even in difficult times. Second part, how are we supposed to treat doubt? How are we supposed to treat doubt? So the poet asks us to trust ourselves even when the others around us are doubting us. The poet asks us to trust ourselves even when the others around us are doubting us. Third one, why should you not look too good nor talk too wise? So the poet says we should not look too good and talk too wise because it's important to maintain balance in our lives. The poet says we should not look too good and talk too wise because it's important to maintain balance in our lives. Now, third one, how is truth likely to be misused? How is truth likely to be misused? So, truth is twisted and misused by unscrupulous and unprincipled people. Truth is twisted and misused by unprincipled people. They misuse it to fool honest and innocent people. They misuse it to fool honest and innocent people. Number 5. Which quality can help a person start again in the face of failure? Which quality can help a person start again in the face of failure? Then the qualities determination and honesty. Determination and honesty can help a person start again in the face of failure. Determination and honesty. Now C part, think and answer. Number 1. Why is the poem titled If? Why is the poem titled If? The poet has used the title If to lay down the condition a man needs to fulfill to become a true man. The poet has used the title If to lay down the conditions a man needs to fulfill to become a true man. Then the second question. What feelings does the poem awakens in you? What feelings does the poem awaken in you? What are the feelings that comes to you? And the feelings are patience, tolerance, fortitude and confidence. And the feelings are patience, tolerance, fortitude and confidence. These are the feelings. And see the last question. How has the poet used comparison and contrast to explain his thoughts? Analyze. So, the poet has used comparisons between characters and contrast between different actions to lay down the rules for a balanced way of life. The poet has used comparisons between characters and contrast between different actions to lay down the rules for a balanced way of life. One should wait and yet not be tired of waiting. One should dream but not make dreams one's master, and be able to walk both with kings and commoners. It is only when one is able to lead a balanced life that one becomes a true man. Now see, it is word study, apology, a statement of contrition or for an action, a defense of one, bill, a payment, an invoice for payment, dust, to add fine particles, to remove the fine particles, finished, completed, ended or destroyed, literally, actually, virtually, left, remained, departed. So it's the exercise of the chapter. So you write all the question answers in your English notebook in a very good hand. Bye students.